Hi there friends, I want to share with you a very simple and easy DIY. I want to show you real quickly how I made these pictures. These are beautiful heart pictures, great for Valentine's Day coming up, and they're so simple. You can go pick some of these up. Dollar Tree has them. And then all you need are some hearts, some different size paper hearts. They had pink, they had red, they had wooden ones. You name it, they had it. And it makes such cute Valentine's Day decor because all you have to do really is just take the paper, glue it on there, put it in a frame, and it's that simple. And then you can take and be a little bit more creative, like the little napkin holder, the little dollies that I had. I just put some stick-on stickers with it and glued some flowers to it, put it in a picture frame, and voila. But you can just theme them out the way that you want, and they're so simple and so very cute. Thought you might enjoy these.